Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really fun video, and it's actually a collab video with a new friend I've met here on YouTube, Kaitlyn, Mommy in the Making, and an old and dear friend, Nicole Burgess. And what we decided to do is we decided to go ahead and do cleaning videos. So Kaitlyn's channel is a wide range of videos. So she does a lot of cleaning videos, but she also does like mommy hack videos. She also does a Weight Watcher series. So she has been documenting her Weight Watcher journey, which is really great. So she's in week 6. So if you guys are looking to learn Weight Watchers, definitely go and check out those videos she has. And Kaitlyn, you have really persuaded me to get a GMC Arcadia, so just throwing that out there too. And Nicole, she is a fantastic couponer here on YouTube. She also does Dollar Tree hauls, she does DIYs, and she's really getting good at the home decor as well. And her and I are actually all of us, both of us, all three of us are really into that farmhouse style too. So you guys will probably see some similarities in our houses in terms of decor and whatnot. We're all kind of in that farmhouse decor vibe. So I want you guys to go ahead and check out both of their channels, watch their videos, subscribe to their channel if you are not already. And if you are new to my channel from theirs, hi, my name is Gina, and I primarily do couponing, but I've really been wanting to revamp my channel for 2018. So I've been adding in pregnancy updates because I am pregnant. So no, I didn't eat a big lunch. I am pregnant. So I'm 27 weeks pregnant. So I am documenting my pregnancy journey. I do couponing in-store videos. I've been throwing in cleaning videos. So I'm trying to add more variety into my videos. So if you're new from Nicole's channel or Kaitlyn's channel, I would love to have you part of my family as well. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And my video today is going to be a nap time routine. So I'm a stay-at-home mom, so nap times are really, really important for getting things done. Whoever says sleep when the baby sleeps clearly does not have kids, because I'm not going to use that span of time to sleep, because there's always something to be doing around the house. So I'm going to take you along with me on what I do during Sawyer's nap time and Scarlett's quiet time. Scarlett is 3, so she has quiet time. So she stays in her room during nap time. So I'm just going to take you guys along. So let's... Night-night, baby. Time to take a nap. Come get Mickey. Night-night. Night-night, buddy. Night-night.
Okay guys, so the first thing I do is I start out with the laundry, because this is what takes the most time. So doing a load of laundry is going to take a good hour to do. So that's always why I want to go ahead and just start that first. So I'll go ahead and walk you through the products I use for my laundry. So I recently started trying out the Purex Scent Booster crystals, and I am new to this product. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and to be honest with you guys, I am not sure if it's really doing much. So the question I may have to you guys, am I just not using enough? So typically I will use 1 full capful. So I don't know if maybe my scent of smell is just off, or I don't know, but I'm really not telling much of a difference with my clothes. So let me know if I should be adding more to my laundry. And then my absolute favorite laundry detergent, hands down, Persil. So I'm using the Power Packs today, but I prefer the liquid because I think the scent is stronger with the liquid versus the Power Packs. Let me know if you guys agree. So then we're just going to start throwing in our second load of laundry. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the Method dryer sheets. Love these. They smell so good. And then we're going to get that load of laundry started. And then you can't start nap time without watching an episode of The Bachelor. I mean, come on, guys. And then I'm going to light a candle. This is the white mint latte. It's not my favorite, but it is growing on me. So now we're going to go ahead and put the dishes that have been sitting in the sink all morning. And this is my time to go ahead and just load the dishwasher to get all that clutter out of the sink. So now that I have an empty sink, yay, I'm going to start cleaning the sink off. I always use the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. This is in the Verbranda lemon scent, I believe it is. So I just go ahead and use the dish soap and my scrubber. And what I love about this dish soap is it is also a degreaser. So you can be using this to wash your dishes. You can use this to wash your sink, and you can also use this on your stove. A few of you guys had asked me what I use to clean my stove, and I just use dish soap, and the Mrs. Meyer's is my absolute favorite. So I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out, but I highly recommend this dish soap. It smells so good too, so that's always an added plus. And then we're going to go ahead and start cleaning off the countertops. As always, I'm using my Method countertop spray. So this is the granite spray, and it smells of apple blossom, and it smells really nice. I have a disinfectant spray that I really don't care for. It's in the flower scent, and it's in the purple bottle. I'm really not a fan of that one, but I definitely do love this apple blossom scent. And then I use microfiber towels. These things have changed my life. I have seriously cut down on the amount of paper towels I use, and I just got this 10-pack at Home Depot. So definitely switch over to microfiber towels because you guys can wash them and you can save on your paper towels. So just cleaning off all of the countertops, and that's going to allow for a fresh start when it comes to afternoon and dinner prep. So like to keep things nice and clean. And then of course, with 2 kids and 2 dogs and messy eaters, we have to do some vacuuming. So every day vacuuming is my life. So let me know if you guys are in this never-ending cycle of vacuuming, because I feel like I do vacuuming more than anything. So just doing my little vacuum dance. I actually find vacuuming really therapeutic, as well as cleaning countertops. I just actually really enjoy those 2 tasks on my list. So I really don't mind having to vacuum. I hate to dust though. So now we are moving on to creating a grocery list. This is for Trader Joe's. So I recently had to change my diet because I do have a gestational diabetes. So we're going through a grocery list to make a yummy recipe that I found on Pinterest. You guys can follow me on Pinterest. I have a board dedicated to gestational diabetes, and this recipe is going to be beef and broccoli, which looks great. And then I also take this time to gather up my coupons for CVS to prep for the next week. I always hop on the couponingcouple.com to get my deals going. So definitely check out my couponing videos if you haven't already. I go to CVS every Sunday.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, make sure you check out Kaitlyn's video and Nicole's video. Their videos and channel links will be in the description box. Make sure you go over there, show them some love, let them know that I sent you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Like this video so I know you have enjoyed it, and I will talk to everyone later. And everything that I used in my video I actually got from Grove Collaborative. So if you're at all interested in any of the products, I'll have a link below. There is a code where you can get $10 off, as well as a free Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. So if you are at all interested in any of the products that I used in the video, I'll have a link below so you guys can go ahead and order and check it out yourself. So I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.